Guys, it's March 5th, 2022. We got some cakes for tonight. We got this 100-shot Superman cake. We got another flashbang. I did one on New Year's, but it didn't come out that good. This is the older Venom. I saw the video on the new ones, but they're over super quick. So I'm glad I got the older ones. I got some more RNGs. Some old fountains. Area 51, classic. Got some more space rockets. Got these Mars rockets here. There's no brand on them. They're just colors, 6 different effects, 6 rockets. Got some Phantom jumbo whistlers there. Jinkies. Zoinks, poppin' bubbly, another old cake hooked. This is the 4th Minions cake. I haven't seen this one or many people do any videos on this. It's just all color, but there's 4 to the collection that I know of, so we'll do that one tonight. We got Buck Fever. We got this older cake here, Coconut Tree by Pyro King. Definitely has some good pop to that. Got this Crackling Cressettes here, Phantom and Gucci. And then I got some noise makers here. I'm gonna string them up and with fast fuse. And I'm probably going to fast fuse these rockets together. I just thought it'd be a better time to do a video in the daylight so you guys could see everything. Oh yeah, and then I got this Magic Light 5-shot candle here. So I will get some videos up and take it easy.